Morning students, welcome to New Era Global School online teaching class. So yesterday we completed our chapter number 9, light and shadows, and today we will see the overall review of this chapter. Okay, so first what we have seen about luminous and the non-luminous object. And second, what are all the types of object, and then what a shadow is, how are shadows formed, and what are the characteristics of a shadow. So first we will see what is the luminous and non-luminous light. Okay, so what are all the objects that give out the light? Okay, कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट आप लाइट देगा तो they are called luminous objects, and those that do not give out light they are called non-luminous object. Okay, so what is the difference between luminous and non-luminous? Objects that give out light they are called luminous object, and those that do not give the light they are called non-luminous objects. And then we have seen about the light. Okay, if you walk in a completely dark room, okay, what will happen? You will not able to see anything. क्यों? आपके रूम में लाइट नहीं है, आपके रूम में पूरा अंधेरी है, आप अंदर जाएगा तो यू कांट एबल टू सी एनीथिंग, आपके कुछ नहीं दिखेगा. क्यों? आपके रूम में लाइट नहीं है. ठीक है, अगर आपको कैंडल का लाइट करेगा, व्हाट विल हैपन? लाइट तो आ गया, सो यू कैन एबल टू सी द थिंग्स अराउंड यू. सो द लाइट इट हेल्प अस टू सी द थिंग्स अराउंड अस. सो लाइट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी. वी गेट द लाइट from different sources. Then light always travels in a straight line. This we have seen. Then coming to the next page, we are going to see what are transparent, translucent and opaque materials. So different material. So we are surrounded by different materials, like some are liquid, some are solid, and some more gases. So different materials, they will allow the different amount of light. Okay, different materials, they allow different amount of light to pass through them. Depending on this, the materials are classified into 3 types: transparent, translucent and opaque object. So first, what do you mean by transparent material? Transparent material मतलब क्या है? Materials that allow all the light to pass through them, they are called transparent materials. ठीक है, कौन सा मटेरियल है पूरा लाइट को पास करेगा? इट इज कॉल्ड एज एन ट्रांसपेरेंट मटेरियल. एग्जाम्पल, clear glass and clean water. Now take a clear glass and look through it. What will happen? You will be able to see the things clearly. अगर आपके ग्लास ले लो, क्लियर ग्लास ले लो, इसके पानी डालो, then what will happen? Clearly you can see that one. Why? Because the glass is a transparent material. ठीक है. Then next one, it is called translucent material. Material that allow the light to pass through them partially, they are called translucent material. So कोई materials, they will allow the light to pass through them partially. आधा तो partially मतलब क्या है? पूरा नहीं है, आधा दिखेगा. ठीक है, they will absorb little light. So they are called translucent material. Example, frosted glass, colored glass and thin sheet of paper. Okay. And the last one, it is called opaque materials. Materials that do not allow light to pass through them or completely block the light. ये word तो underline कर दो, बहुत important है. materials do not allow the light to pass through them or completely block the light. They are called opaque materials. Example, wood, mirror and brick wall. The example देख लो. First one, it is a glass bottle. So it is an example of transparent materials. And this one, it is a frosted glass. So partially we can able to see, right? It allows the light to pass through them partially. And this, it is said to be the brick wall, example of opaque. It will not allow the light to pass through. This one is clear for you. Coming to the next page, 119, we are going to learn about the shadows. Okay. So first, what is a shadow? Shadow मतलब क्या है? Shadow is, you can see your shadow only on the afternoon, right? Only on the afternoon you can see the shadow. So a shadow is a dark shape when they are formed when an opaque or translucent object is placed in such a way that blocks the passage of light. Now see the diagram here. It is said to be source of light. Okay. So when the flow, this is said to be an object. So this object, it may be opaque or it may be translucent. Okay. So when the source of light is, when the source of light passes through the object, what will happen? The passage of the light is blocked. And then on the other side, you can able to see the dark shape. It is called shadow. Why? Because the path of the light is blocked. Okay. So the shadow is formed. So we discussed about three materials like transparent materials, translucent materials and opaque materials. So only the opaque and translucent object, they cast a shadow. Q. Because they are able to block the light. Opaque object, they completely block the light. But translucent object can feint shadow. Feint मतलब क्या है? तो the shape will be irregular. Okay. So as the object allow the little light to pass through them partially. And then transparent materials, they will not produce a shadow. Why? Because they do not block the light. They allow all the light to pass through them. Okay. So what are all the conditions of the shadow? ये shadow form करने के लिए कौन सा condition चाहिए? पहले हमको चाहिए source of light. Then we need an object. Either it may be opaque or translucent. We need a surface or we need a screen to obtain a shadow. And then next one, what are all the characteristics of shadows? Shadows का क्या क्या characteristic है? So first one, the shadow कैसा form होता है? Only when the light falls on opaque and translucent object. A shadow is formed when light falls on opaque or translucent object. Next one, a shadow is formed on the opposite side of the source of light. Okay, the shadow will be formed on the opposite side of the source of light. For example, if you are facing the shadow source of light, where the shadow will be? They will be formed behind us. And then third one, shadow do not depend on the color of the object. For example, if your lady is wearing the blue saree, the shadow will be black only. Okay, always the shadow will be black. And then next one, the shadow only shows the shape of an object. Okay, it gives only the shape of an object. It does not allow any other details. For example, the shadow of the bag will show the shape of the bag. but it will not show the details of zip and button. Suppose if you are wearing the bag, तो बैग का शेप दिखेगा, ठीक है, लेकिन इसके अंदर क्या क्या चीज़ है, अगर बटन वाला है, जिप वाला है, पैसा है, पर्स है, कुछ भी नहीं दिखेगा. ओके, सो दीज आर ऑल द कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ शैडो. नेक्स्ट वन, इट इज कॉल्ड साइज एंड पोजीशन ऑफ ए शैडो. उसके साइज कैसा है, उसका पोजीशन कैसा है. सो द साइज एंड पोजीशन ऑफ द शैडो, it depends upon two things. Okay, so it depends upon two things. First one, the distance of the source of light. Okay, so what is the distance? This is said to be the distance. Okay, so what is the distance between the light source and object? So if the source of the light is closer, the shadow will be bigger. अगर ऑब्जेक्ट लाइट के बाजू में है तो द शैडो विल बी बिगर. ठीक है, दिस इज द फर्स्ट कंडीशन. सेकेंड वन, द साइज ऑफ द शैडो ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स ऑन द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द स्क्रीन फ्रॉम द ऑब्जेक्ट. डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द स्क्रीन एंड ऑब्जेक्ट, स्क्रीन और ऑब्जेक्ट के बीच में कितना गैप होता है. So the shadow will be larger कब, when the screen is moved away. अगर screen थोड़ा बाहर जाएगा तो the shadow will be larger. Okay, now can you able to see this diagram? Now see here, this is said to be source of the light and this is said to be object and this is screen. Okay, ये देखो, here the light and the object is longer, so the shadow will be what? So the shadow will be very small. अगर object light का source में नहीं, देखो, this is said to be light and this is said to be object. So what will happen? The shadow will be larger. Okay, the distance between the source and object, the shadow will be bigger. When the screen is moved far, the shadow will be bigger. So these are all the two conditions of size and position of your shadow. Okay, now we are going to see about light and shadows ka recap. Okay, so first what we have seen, what is transparent, translucent and opaque materials, right? Transparent matlab materials that allow all the light to pass through them. Example, clear glass and clean water. And then translucent materials that allow the light to pass through them partially. Example, frosted glass and colored glass. Then opaque materials that do not allow any light to pass through them or completely block the light. Example, wood and mirror. Then we have seen about the shadows. It is a dark shape. How they are formed? When an opaque or translucent object blocks the passage of light. Then character, it forms when light falls on opaque or translucent object formed on the opposite side of the source of light, is always dark. Then only shows the shape of an object. And then we have seen what do you mean by the size and position of a shadow. The closer the source of light, the bigger is the shadow form. The closer the screen, the smaller is the shadow form. Okay, so this is said to be the 9th chapter. We have completed our 9 chapters. Overall review also completed. If you have any doubts, you can ask me anytime. And tomorrow we will discuss about our textual questions. Okay, thank you students.